Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can make your Facebook story public. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments at the end of the video and also put your likes. So, let's get to our topic. And to do this, open the Facebook application on your phone. Next, go to the menu section at the bottom. Now you will need to tap on the gear in the top right corner to go to Facebook settings. Next, scroll down a little bit. Here you'll see a section like this, which is called Audience Visibility, and in there you'll find stories. Go to those. Next, go to the very first section. This is Story Privacy. Now you'll need to switch to Public or Public History. If you have, let's say, a story only for someone or a story only for friends, then of course everyone won't be able to see them. To do this, click on the Public Story so that they are immediately available to the public. Friends, this is a very simple way to quickly make your Facebook stories public so that they can be seen by as many people as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment. See you soon.